Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Bonjour RATP application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see a profile symbol. Press on it. And here you should just press on manage my account. And you can see down below the delete my account option. Press on it. And here you will see a question: do you really want to delete your account? And just press on delete my account if you still want to proceed. And you can see that your account has been just deleted. So it is a pretty fast action and it doesn't require any time to be deleted. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.